Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laundry detergents that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Persil Original Everyday Clean Liquid Laundry Detergent. Persil has been on sale in the US since mid-2015, but it has long been a best-selling laundry detergent in Europe. Our photospectrometer revealed that, across all our tests, Persil removed an average of 2% more stains than Tide detergents. While that difference isn't clearly visible to the naked eye, it does make a difference over repeated washings. And that's how Persil eked out a win over a long-standing favorite to become our current pick for best laundry detergent. At most retailers, however, Persil is more expensive than Tide, our value pick. While the gap isn't extreme, over a year's worth of washing, with Persil ProClean Power Liquid, it can add up. Our in-house survey and review of online opinions also show that many consumers think Persil smells sweet, which may be a turnoff. Still, if stain removal is critical, Persil is indisputably the best laundry detergent for the job. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent. Sometimes, instead of the absolute best laundry detergent, you're more in the market for the best value laundry detergent. Tide has been one of the go-to brands in this space since it launched in 1946. While this more modern formulation lagged slightly behind Persil in our stain-fighting test, it stood toe-to-toe or bested it in all other categories. We tested Tide Original, a product that's for high-efficiency washers. Tide out cleans other detergents by as much as 14%. Because of Tide's ubiquity, its scent has become ingrained in the fabric of American life. Tide is widely known for its cleaning power and provides the best value among laundry detergents available today. At number 3, we have the Persil ProClean Sensitive Skin. Persil ProClean Sensitive Skin came out on top in our cleaning tests for detergents for people with sensitive skin. The results did not surprise us, as regular Persil currently holds the number 1 spot in this guide. We prefer the aroma of this version more than the regular ProClean. When we popped open the sensitive skin bottle, we mercifully found a very mild scent. We also appreciate the fact that this laundry detergent is formulated to work in cold water. Those who like to cook will enjoy that our testing showed Persil did best against red wine and protein stains. While testing showed that it's a great cleaner, we did have some concerns about some of the ingredients. Most notable was the usage of sodium borate, also known as borax, which can cause skin irritation. There is also some concern about prolonged exposure to propylene glycol, which could cause contact dermatitis. Persil Sensitive Skin sits on the fence between hypoallergenic laundry detergents and the standard set we've been familiar with for years. In exchange for having more harsh chemicals than most free and clear detergents, you're getting a superior clean. At number 2, we have the Kirkland Signature Ultra Clean Liquid Laundry Detergent. The race for our best value pick was neck and neck between Kirkland and Tide. In the end, Tide won us over, as it can be bought most anywhere, while Kirkland products can only be found in Costco stores and occasionally online. Our test revealed that the detergent combines a great balance of affordability and performance, with a scent that is fresher and lighter than what you'll get with Tide, although you'll notice that less of its scent will remain on your clothes after a wash than when they're washed with Tide or our main pick. The Kirkland detergent removed 6% fewer stains than Persil and 4% fewer than Tide. We really liked its container design. It comes with a no-mess dispenser. As far as scent goes, we thought it to be average. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gain Plus Aroma Boost Liquid Laundry Detergent. Gain is best known for its fresh scent. It's also decent at removing stains. Of all the laundry detergents we tested, Gain had the most liked scent and staying power, with its bouquet transferring strongly to our laundry. While we found Gain to be superior to bargain-priced detergents, it lagged behind our winners. It was roughly 10% less effective than Persil. However, for the average urbanite who doesn't get that dirty, Gain will leave you with a more pleasant smelling laundry experience. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.